来就有。有。好嘞。好。好嘞。What the fuck? What the?
Fuck? 不行，必须拉几枪。这也没清，哎呀，这也没清。这才是你就放了，放过。
哦。
An orange Lamborghini Revuelto crashed on the highway after the driver lost control at high speed, slamming into the guardrail. A tragic accident occurred late Saturday night in the Ain Diab district of Casablanca, where a high-speed Lamborghini Urus lost control and crashed. The impact was so severe that the luxury SUV split in half and immediately caught fire, resulting in the deaths of 2 occupants. The crash sent shockwaves through the area, highlighting the dangers of excessive speed on public roads. Authorities have launched an investigation to determine the exact circumstances leading up to the fatal collision. A McLaren 765 LT was about to perform a dangerous stunt on the road when a policeman quickly ran over and stopped the driver just in time. A Lamborghini Aventador engine burst and exploded after excessive revving at a supercar meet, drawing shocked reactions from the crowd. A Tesla Model 3 got stuck and started sinking in a river in China. This must be the worst parking skill I have ever seen in my life. A random white car suddenly fell from the second floor of a building and crashed to the ground. But no one really knows what caused the strange accident. What is going on over here? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. A white Lamborghini Aventador was spotted split in half, its shattered frame and scattered debris drawing shocked onlookers. The wreck left a striking scene of destruction and speed gone wrong. A truck trailer accidentally tipped over and crashed into a Porsche 911 in a parking lot, causing significant damage to the sports car. The unexpected accident left debris scattered and drawing attention from stunned bystanders. A Dutch police car was chasing a Volkswagen Golf that was driving like a lunatic through traffic, ignoring signals and endangering others. After a tense pursuit, the man behind the wheel was finally arrested. This is why you don't mess with a bull. A furious bull was caught attacking a car, its powerful horns smashing windows and denting the metal as the vehicle struggled to escape.
Okay? Yeah! Yeah! Sure! Yeah! Okay! Yeah!
I guess some people are just too bored sitting at home playing Legos. A rare Lamborghini Aventador's V was seen off-roading and doing all kinds of stunt. In today's lesson, never to race a track car on a wet track during rain. Handling high speeds on a slippery wet road is extremely dangerous, and it can lead to loss of control and serious accidents. A Bugatti Chiron per Sport driver forgot to remove the fuel nozzle at a petrol station and drove off, ripping the nozzle clean off the pump as onlookers watched in shock. A random car suddenly crashed into a Porsche 911 during a car meet, sending shockwaves through the lineup. The impact not only damaged the Porsche, but also struck other supercars parked nearby. During a supercar convoy, a Lamborghini Huracan crashed on the highway. While attempting to overtake a Ferrari, the driver misjudged the move, colliding with the truck in front and sideswiping the Ferrari beside it, bringing the high-speed convoy to a chaotic stop.
Lamborghini.
Kommt ja nur Motorradfahrer entgegen. Leck mich am Arsch!
Vollidiot. Vollidiot.
Hast gefilmt, ne?
Ja.
Geil. Hast du super Beweis.
A Lotus crashed into a pole on a road in Hong Kong, splitting the car in half from the force of the impact. A Mercedes Maybach S-Class was casually strapped to the roof of an SUV, turning an ordinary drive into a surreal spectacle. The luxury sedan sat like oversized cargo.
Oh shit.
A BMW crashed into the sidewalk and flipped over after attempting to drift on the road. The stunt went wrong, leaving the car upside down in the scene in chaos. Oh dear, that must be painful to watch. A Mercedes-AMG GT crashed into a tree while accelerating, but fortunately, no one was hurt. The car was damaged, but everyone walked away safely. This is why you shouldn't have kids if you own a sports car. A child got behind the wheel of his parents' Porsche Taycan and ended up crashing it straight into the house. A Lamborghini Revuelto hit a bumper while accelerating and hovered in midair for a second, shocking everyone who saw the sudden lift-off. That dent on the Ferrari SUV wheel alone looks like it'll cost a fortune to fix. Some people are just too rich to have the brains to drive. A Range Rover scraped the bumper of a rare Ferrari 812 Competizione like it was nothing. This BMW M4 suffered a bad accident, crashing into the bushes and lifting off the ground. The impact left the car visibly damaged, turning a routine drive into a frightening moment. This is why you should never make stupid moves while driving a supercar. One wrong move will turn into disaster. I'm not really sure what transpired here, but it looks like a Maserati hit a fire hydrant, sending a massive gush of water flooding the street.
Oh my god, it's getting really tight. I don't know how you're going to get out of that space. And then, yeah, because you can't park on the pedestrian crossing, so we all got to stop.
A $3.4 million Pagani Huayra was hit by a Porsche 911 GT3 RS during a track day, leaving both cars damaged. The rare Pagani suffered a costly blow, while the Porsche showed front-end damage. Fortunately, no one was injured.
Oh my god!
A group of teens crashed a BMW M3 on a slippery mountain road, losing control on a sharp turn. The car was badly damaged, but thankfully, no serious injuries were reported. In September 2022, a $17 million Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta colliding with an oncoming Ford Fiesta. The impact badly damaged the driver's side, ripping off the rear wheel, suspension, and brake components, and inflicting major damage to the carbon fiber body. Fortunately, no one was injured, and the hypercar has since been fully repaired by Pagani in Motorcades.
가는 거야? 가 조심히 가. 가. 야 근데 너 포지션이 왜 그래? 야 이거 맞아?
A tall guy was seen driving a Porsche 718 Boxster in Korea with his head sticking out above the windshield. He was so tall that he made the sleek sports car look like a toy beneath him. Jaguar XJ220 hit a road pole late at night in London, damaging its front bumper. Poor visibility made it difficult for the driver to see the pole in time. A new 911 GT3 RS veered off the highway and plunged down a steep embankment after losing control on a sharp turn. The car flipped and came to rest upside down, suffering major body and chassis damage. Well guys, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.